Sawadika. My name is Chloe. I'm the regional representative of Bow Valley College. We are located in Calgary City, the biggest city in Alberta province and the fourth largest city in Canada. In Bow Valley College, we offer a wide range of programs, including the program in business administration, in supply chain management, technology program like data analytics or health data analytics, game development. We also offer some program like the healthcare program in pharmacy technician or therapy assistant. Last but not least, we also offer the education program like early childhood education. In Bow Valley College, a student can have many chances to work with the local employer and expert. That's because in our institution, we offer more than 93% program offer work integrated learning for students. So it will be the good chance for them to communicate with the local expert and employer. When students study in Bow Valley College, they will have the chance to approach our various service for the student, especially international students, like the Career Service Center, the health and wellness support. We also have the student to find the housing option as well as support them in technology assistance. If you are interested in studying in a good college with a world-class education in Canada, like Bow Valley College, please feel free to reach out Pacific Premier. They are one of our long-term and trustworthy partners in Thailand who can help your dream come true. Thank you.